Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Abramson, and I'm speaking to you on behalf of a dear friend Joe Meisch, who developed a wonderful tool for relaxing. Joe is a veteran who is dedicated to helping combat veterans with PTSD and the general public to have a tool to create a relaxation recovery from PTSD symptoms, and has been dedicated to do research and to bring this to the military veterans that need it and to the general public. I have two roles in my life. One is a dentist treating TMJ and oral facial pain, working with patients with headaches and looking at how to work with muscle tensions that have built up in their lives. And the other is that I founded Stanford University Medical Center's mindfulness-based stress reduction clinic about 25 years ago, teaching meditation to be a medical tool for all kinds of medical conditions that mindfulness has been employed with, and also recently going into corporations to create wellness programs for corporate health. So one of the things that I want to share with you is this wonderful tool called the temple massager. And the best way to describe the way this tool was designed by Joe was to allow you to self-massage and to create a relaxing focus that you could do without straining yourself to do it. And the best example I have for this is if you go into, if you're a man or woman, you go and get your hair cut or go to a beauty parlor and somebody is working on your hair, or you remember when you were a kid and mom and dad combed your hair and fixed you up, and all you could, had to do was sit there and relax and feel the comb going through your hair or feel your hair being done. And how relaxing and meaningful that was in your memories of your life. And when I teach meditation, I use that as an example and share that all you have to do is focus your attention and feel yourself combing your hair every day, that you're taking care of yourself, or washing your face and feeling the sensation that you're creating for yourself. Well, the temple massager is a tool for that, and one of the designs of this is to be able to relax your shoulders and your neck while you're doing this, so that you're in a position where everything is down and can relax, and you can massage yourself. And also it has therapy for smell, aromatherapy, that helps put you in that relaxed state. So it's something that you can do to create what is called in medicine now the relaxation response. And for people who have been traumatized either by an emotional event in their lives or a tour of duty in the military where you have to, something is a trigger, a strong trigger for a stress reaction, that one of the important healing things that we all need to incorporate into our lives is the ability to reset and settle down. And what the temple massager does is that it gives you a wonderful, calm, relaxing focus where you can allow your whole body to relax as you create this response, this healing, settling response that is something that builds that pathway. So every time that you have a thought, a rumination, or something that you recognize, and that you bring the skills of life to focus and to settle yourself down, that you're actually building strength. One of the things that's happened when I was first introduced to this, which was 10 years ago now, I wrote a letter with my thoughts about this, and about a year later, combat veterans in Afghanistan who were using this after their military day to relax themselves commented and found that almost verbatim the things that I said that I thought this would be useful for turned out to be helpful for them. One of the people that I work with at Stanford is a physician whose husband was on Navy SEAL Team 6, And she's a meditator and teaching meditation at the medical center for the residents to work with their stress of their busy schedules and demands. And he used to kind of not understand what she was doing, but he went back for a reunion and found out that Navy SEAL Team 6 was meditating now before they went out on a mission and then when they came back in order to recover and settle down. So he was impressed with this kind of new information to him, that how so many different people and different positions in life were starting to use this. Sports teams are now using this. A lot of the professional teams have mindfulness coaches. And so what the temple massage is a wonderful tool to have a time that you dedicate yourselves to do a focused practice of relaxation that can build in your life. It's something that if you dedicated 10 to 20 minutes a day just to, in the morning or evening, to practice this relaxation, experience this relaxation response, and then when something during the day might have triggered you or you got a thought, rumination came into your mind, that you could recognize and then bring yourself back to this relaxed state that you've created through the use of the temple massage. So it's something I think that I know that Joe is dedicated to see this help people in need, and he has worked tirelessly to develop research programs to prove out these theories, and is doing a great job to bring this to the community in need.